Today, we'll understand petrochemical plants, how crude oil is refined, and how that same oil transforms into thousands of things in our daily lives. Today, let's talk about something that's in every part of our daily lives, but we don't think much about it. I'm talking about petrochemicals. This journey begins thousands of feet below the ground, where crude oil is extracted. It's loaded onto giant ships and transported to factories all over the world. We call these factories oil refineries. When this crude oil arrives at the refinery, it's not useful yet. It's a mixture. It's a mixture, like vegetable soup. It's heated in a furnace, turned into vapor, and sent to a tall distillation column, where different parts separate. The lightest, LPG, naphtha, the raw material for plastic, kerosene, lamp oil, diesel, the heaviest part, asphalt for roads and ship fuel. So many different useful things come from the same crude oil. A petrochemical plant looks like a science fiction set. Here there are giant machines and a web of pipelines everywhere. The furnace, which heats naphtha or ethane to very high temperatures. The distillation column, that tall tower that separates products based on their boiling points. The reactor, where chemical reactions happen to create new substances. Heat exchanger, heats cold fluid with hot fluid and saves energy. Compressor, increases gas pressure. Pumps, send liquids through pipes. Thousands of kilometers of pipelines and hundreds of pumps work together every day. Storage tanks, where raw materials and finished products are kept safe. Control room, the brain of the plant, where every machine and valve is monitored. Flare, safely burns off excess gas. Cooling tower, cools process water. Recess. Naphtha from the refinery is the most common feedstock for petrochemical plants. Here, the next part of its journey begins. This process is called steam cracking. Naphtha or ethane is sent to a cracking furnace with steam. Here, the temperature is often between 800 and 850 degrees Celsius, hot enough to break molecules apart. Large molecules break down into smaller, useful gases. The most important among these are ethylene and propylene, the building blocks of the industry. To separate these gases, they are cooled and passed through different columns. Temperature and pressure are carefully controlled in the control room. Once pure ethylene is obtained, polymerization begins. Thousands of molecules join to form long chains. These become polyethylene and polypropylene. They come out as small pellets, bottles, toys and containers, car parts and dashboards, and fibers, clothes that include polyester and nylon, from naphtha to ethylene, polymers, and then the things we use every day. Petrochemical plants don't just make plastic. They are the backbone of our modern world. The chemicals produced here are used to make medicines, fertilizers, and so many other products. Safety is the top priority. Helmets, safety shoes, glasses, and fire-resistant clothing. Before starting any work, a permit to work and risk assessment are done. The distributed control system monitors everything constantly, and emergency drills are conducted regularly. Large companies strictly follow international standards. Safety rules are part of the plant's culture. From fertilizers in agriculture to medicines, petrochemicals contribute everywhere. This industry has made our lives easier and safer. So next time you fill up your car or use plastic, think about that long journey. Well, that's all for today. See you next time with a new technology.